Ugly scratches in the paint of cars are unavoidable over time. Body shop repairs, however, are very expensive. The tough-proven Quicks repair system removes scratches, scrapes and scuff marks quickly and reliably from all paint finishes, including metallic. Scratches in the car paint are often caused by car wash plants, bushes, fingernails and keys around the door handles, but also by laying or carelessly placing objects on the car or by brushing other parked cars or columns. This often results in unwanted paint marks in your car's finish. Save your money by using the ultimate Quicks 3-step professional system. Quicks' proven efficiency has been certified by the German TÜV. Industry test reports show the outstanding performance of Quicks. Quicks is easy to use. Step 1. Start by applying Quicks Polish No. 1 to the scratched area and polish it for about 1 to 2 minutes with a clean cotton cloth in circular motions with pressure. Remove residues with a damp cloth or sponge. Now the scratch has vanished and all that remains is a slightly dull surface. In Step 2, polish the slightly dull surface with Quicks Finish No. 2 for about 1 to 2 minutes to reinstate the gloss. Finally, remove any residues with a cloth. Maintaining and even increasing the value of your car can be that easy. No more cost reductions when reselling or returning leases due to scratched paint finishes. You'll save lots of money by repairing your car with Quicks Scratch Remover. Look at the amazing differences between before and after an application. In case of light scratches and paint traces, as well as with nanotechnology car paints, only follow Step 2 with Quicks Finish No. 2. For deep scratches, first wet sand with the enclosed special sandpaper. Be careful not to expose primer. Afterwards, follow Steps 1 and 2. In case of deep scratches exposing the primer, a touch-up paint pen must be used before beginning. The results of the paint pen can be significantly enhanced with Quicks Repair System. Quicks can be used on any type of vehicle, including cars, motorcycles, vans and campers. Thanks to Quicks, both minor and deeper scratches can be simply removed by anybody for the first time. Quicks Repair System is simply a must for all car owners. Quicks, the only TÜV-approved scratch removal system, offers you the maximum security of having been stringently tested for efficiency, paint compatibility, shine effect, skin compatibility, environmental compatibility, processability, surface image, production facilities. Quicks is absolutely odor-free and non-toxic, enabling you to work in closed rooms. Open tubes will not dry out and can be used for years. Remove your scratch marks in your car today using Quicks Repair System.